class. Dear students, in last class, one of the chapter, triangles, had we finished. Today, I am going to start new chapter, trigonometry. Dear students, trigonometry, that means tri plus geo plus metry. Trigonometry. Only a study in this topic is triangle and only right angle triangle. So dear students, here given some figures 1, 2 and 3. Dear students, students of a school are visiting Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar. Now, if a student is looking at the top of Minar, yeah, top of Minar, a right angle triangle can be imagined to be made. So, given figure, this is a right angle triangle, a right 90 degree. Can the student find out the height of Minar without actually measurement it? And same way in figure 2, a girl is sitting on a balcony of her house. Here, balcony of her house located on the bank of a river. She is looking down. At a flower pot placed on a stair of temple situated nearby on the other bank of the river. A right triangle is imagined. And so in the given figure, you know that height at which the person is sitting, can you find width of the river? And in figure 3rd, suppose a hot air balloon is flying in the air. A girl happened to spot the balloon in the sky and runs to her mother to tell her about it. Her mother rushes out of the house to look at the balloon. Now, when the girl had spotted the balloon instantly, it was a point A. When both the mother and daughters came out to see it, it had already traveled to another point B. So dear students, can you find the altitude of B from the ground? Can you find altitude from B at the ground? So dear students, all height of the ground to balloon B and height of the Minar or units of the river and height of the Qutub Minar find in this topic. So let us move toward the topic. Dear students, now study in trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle is known as trigonometry. Trigonometry, 3 for 3, geo means measurement, and metron, trigonometry, and ratio, trigonometry ratio. Distance, ratios of the sides of right triangle. Ratios of the sides of right triangle with respect to its acute angle is known as T ratio, that means trigonometry ratio. And T identity, trigonometry identity, calculate T ratio for some specific angles and established some identity involving this ratio is known as T identity. Now, a study about T ratio. So, in right angle triangle, ABC, in right triangle ABC at B is 90 degree, distance this side, that means BC. BC is side opposite to angle A. BC side opposite to angle A and AB side adjacent to angle A. Dear friends, this BC is side opposite to angle A and AB is side adjacent to angle A, and this is hypotenuse. So now we are studying in right angle triangle about acute angle in right angle triangle. Dear friends, in right triangle ABC at B is right angle, this side adjacent to angle C, this angle, side adjacent to angle C and side opposite to angle C. AB is side opposite to angle C and BC is side adjacent to angle C. Now, dear friends, here mainly 6 T ratio of trigonometry such as sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Dear friends, sine of angle A is side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A, that means side opposite to angle A, this BC, and hypotenuse. This side is hypotenuse, that means BC by AC, or here BC by AC, sine of angle A is side opposite to angle A, that means this side opposite to angle A, or in this side opposite to angle A, BC by hypotenuse, and cosine of angle A side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse AC, that means AB by AC, and tangent of angle A side opposite to angle A and by side adjacent to angle A, that means BC by AB, and cosine of angle A 1 by sine A, that means hypotenuse by side opposite to angle A, that means AC by BC. Here AC by BC, and second opposite to angle cosine of angle A, that means 1 by cosine of angle A, that means AC by side adjacent to angle A, that means AC by AB, and cotangent of angle A, that means 1 by tangent of angle A, AB by BC. So, dear friends, mainly 60 ratio, and abbreviation of all T ratio is sine, cosine, that means cos, tangent, tan, and cosec and sec and cot. Mainly 6 T ratio: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So here 6 T ratio: sin, cos, tan. Opposite of sin is cosec, opposite to cos is sec, opposite tan cot. So 6 T ratio: sin, cos, tan and cot, sec, cosec. So now some given examples of their T ratio. Dear students, see question number 1 of exercise 8.1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A. Listen, sin A equal to this angle. Sin A, side opposite to angle A. That means side opposite to angle A is BC, and by hypotenuse AC. That means BC equal to 7 centimeter by 24 centimeter. And cos A equal to ascent and angle ascent of angle A, that means AB, by hypotenuse AC. So AB equal to 24 centimeter and AC equal to, distance AC are known. So using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, so AC square equal to by Pythagoras, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That means 24 centimeter square plus 7 centimeter square equal to 576 plus 49 625. So AC equal to 25 centimeter. So here AC equal to, sorry student, in sin A, AC equal to not 24, here 25, and cos A equal to AB by AC, that means 24 by 25. Again, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. First you find AC. Using Pythagoras, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. 24 square plus 7 square, that means 625, 25 centimeter square. So sin A equal to BC by AC, 7 by 24, and cos A equal to AB by AC, 24 by 25. And now sin C, this and sin C, this angle, side opposite to angle C, that means AB by AC, and AB equal to 24 by 25, and cos A equal to cos A, here cos A, that means ascent to angle A, that means AB by AC, that is 24 by 25. Cos A, this angle, cos A equal to side ascent to angle A, that means AB by hypotenuse. So AB 24 and AC 25. So dear students, in same way you solve other questions, and today's class is over, and your homework is do examples question exercise 8.1. Thanks, have a nice day. So dear student, in question second, not cos A, here cos C. So cos C equal to this angle, side or same two angle C, that means BC by AC, 7 by